Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And we're going to start on the daily time frame real quick because we had a CPI inflation data come out today and definitely caused the dollar to go up, Euro dollar to go down. Ever since we had this engulfing move to the downside almost 2 weeks ago, I've been recommending shorts for everybody. I would have liked to have seen a little bit of a bigger pullback to go short, but definitely been recommending shorts. I just wanted to start off on the daily because more than likely, this pretty much proves to me that this is likely just a wave A of probably the last five waves up, which means that most wave A's do take out the low of wave four. So I definitely am going to continue to stay bearish until the market tells me otherwise. Like I said, I would have liked to have seen a little bit of a bigger pullback. I was hoping it was going to go up into this area to to get a more proper three wave pullback, but that's okay. Definitely did continue down in the direction we were talking. I would definitely still be looking for shorts. We are at the 61% Fibonacci, could be in a little bit of an area of resistance. But for me personally, I don't really care about the bounce. I definitely am not going to be trying to go long. But I definitely will, if I see another three-way pullback over the next day or so, look for more sorting opportunities. As long as it doesn't break structure to the upside, I will definitely stay bearish looking for three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.